time to take a bath. It's time to take a bath. I'm gonna get clean, oh so very clean. My head to my toes, my head to my toes, and my soapy, opey nose. Time to take a bath.
Start by rinsing off your bicycle. You don't want a lot of pressure here. You just want to get your bicycle nice and wet. Next, scrub down all your non-drivetrain parts, wheels, frame, fork, shocks. Use a soft brush. We use the Finish Line brush kit, which has an assortment of brushes for your brushing pleasure. This frothy soap you're seeing here is Dawn dish soap, because if it's good enough for a baby duck, it's good enough for my bicycle. Couple things to remember when you're washing your bicycle. Your suspension is an extremely expensive and important part. So when you're washing your shock, make sure and wash away from the seals. See how I'm brushing away from the body of the shock? Brush away from the seals. Your frame, just soap her up and spend some love on it. On your fork, you have the same kind of seals as on that rear suspension. Notice how I'm wiping away from the body of the shock. Don't neglect your wheels. Your wheels need love too. And just clean everything. Make sure your bike is nice and sparkly. For your drivetrain, you're going to use a brush with stiffer bristles. You want to get in there and clean off all that grease. Dawn dish soap does well, but so does elbow grease. Spend some time on your drivetrain. It is the hardest working part on your bicycle, and it needs some love. Then rinse her off. Don't forget the lube.